Right now we are in 2D drafting. Go to workspace switching, click on drop down and change it to 3D modeling. This is the 3D modeling working interface. These are modeling tools. And these are the few other tools for 3D modeling. Right now we are in XY plane, that is 2D. We will draw a circle and a rectangle. You can see that it is in 2D. Click at this home icon and now you can see that we are in 3D. To convert these 2D sketch into 3D model, select extrude, select this circle and rectangle, right click, enter. Now give thickness of 800 mm. But you can see that it does not look like a 3D model. Go to a custom visual style and change visual style from 2D wireframe to realistic. In this way, we can create a 3D model from 2D sketch. Select Orbit from navigation bar. Orbit will allow you to rotate the model in 3D workspace. Now left click and rotate this 3D model. Right click and exit from Orbit.